Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look at the gold market. So yes, the gold market was closed due to the President's Day in the United States, and here's just minor updates on the gold market. Actually, we have discussed everything in the weekend when we considered starting of the Brent body trade on the monthly chart, on the weekly chart, just because actually all preparation is done. So market hits the strong support within the three closes below the 3x3, so as you could be seen from the weekly chart, as you can see here, after the strong rally. And potentially this is the background to starting for the Brent body. But just to not try to fall to catch the falling knife, we have decided to watch for patterns, because pattern could save a lot of money to us, and if even we will be wrong, this pattern we will not lose too much. And because appearing of the pattern led us to place tight stop and get the early signal that something is going wrong, and probably this will be some different performance on the markets. Maybe Brent body will not start, market could drop a bit more, start forming some other patterns. So anyway, so using the intraday patterns is always the advantage. It's just some kind of the fine-tuning of your trade. So you could act directly on the weekly chart, just taking the position, placing stops around below the support, and just sit on the hands, see what will happen. Or you could try to use the fine-tuning that lets you to take position with more precision and place the stop tighter, which will reduce your potential risk. And that's particularly what we intend to do. So here, as you can see, we have agreed to watch for hand and shoulders pattern, and mostly, as on the euro currency in today's video that we discussed, on the gold market, mostly price also stands on the spot. So if you would like to take part with this, that's the points where you have to make the decision. So because that's an area potentially for an entry, 1829, 1830, it stands in agreement with the bottom of the left arm. And if upward reversal starts, it should start right from here. If later you will see that price is dropping lower, taken out of these lows, showing some acceleration back to the bottom, it means that market will take it out of these lows and drop more. So it means that the current setup for position taking will fail. Gold market stands extremely sensitive to geopolitical factors, which is a lot on this week. So yesterday it was visit of the Joe Biden in the Ukraine. Today is also will be speech from the Poland. Right now, within an hour, Putin starts the speech so to the Congress and Russian Congress. So it's a really big background. What he will say, who knows? And if it will be something big will be said. So it's really could also make impact on the gold, especially if it will be in relation to geopolitical situation. That's why let's keep watching. So for the bears, currently probably it's nothing to do yet. So we need to see it's the same manner as either the failure of hand and shoulders here and drop below this area. That might be the signal that you could again trying to watch for taking the short position, because in this case we'll get some acceleration. On the daily chart, you could see that oversold stands below 18 even, it's around 1790. So market has relatively a free space right there, because that was a response on the confluence. And if market decides to break it down, it means that confluence also will be broken, and definitely we will get the drop below these lows. Or if hand shoulders will work, you will have to wait when the Brent body will be over. Only after that, I mean on the weekly chart, only after that it will be possible to consider the new bearish position. For the bulls, as I said, that's the setup that you could consider, because it's almost ready to start or to fail. So we will see.